Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to add link to Instagram story. And of course, the method is within the application settings, so there's no need to use any external application. So to figure it out, let's get started. You can download the app from Play Store, then tap on Open. Now go to your personal profile by tap on this icon. As you see here, this account only followed 2 persons. Previously, the requirement of 10,000 followers was required to activate this feature, but now it has been cancelled. Once you tap on your profile picture, this interface will appear. So you can either take a live picture or choose it from your gallery. For example, let's take a live picture. This feature also works with videos by making long press on the camera. Now to add a link, tap on the sticker icon and look for link. And here it is. Or you can search for it from the search bar. So tap on it. When this interface appears, add the URL link. Then tap on Done. You can place it wherever you want. You can also control the size and change the color by tap on it. And I just want to mention that you can only add one link. For example, if you want to add a second link, the app won't allow you to add it. Now share it. Once you tap on it, you'll directly move to the link through Instagram application. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.